Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. So I would like to discuss about very important things today. So this is an annoying sound. So when I was working with VSCode, I found some annoying sound which really make me annoyed. So after lots of research, I found the solution of this error. So let's see how the annoying sound is. First of all, if I go to any error, for example, I have three lines. I wrote three lines here, and one is warning, one is error, and one is a debug breaking point. So for example, when I start working and I write a variable on something, so sometimes it makes an annoying sound like this. So let's see how. For error, it's making sound like this. For warning, if I go to this line, this is a shorter version of the error, and if I go to the breaking point, it make another sound. Let's see. So this is really very much annoying. So if you want to solve this issue, first of all, you need to go to the settings from the VSCode plate and go to the setting, and here you need to search the audio cues, or just search sound, then it will come up with audio cues. And here some notes here, like line has breakpoint. So if line has breakpoint, it will be a sound. So it's auto, so it will give an automatic sound. It will give a sound by fetching automatically. So I will just turn it off. And line has error. So line has error, that means this line, if I have any error, then it will just give me a sound. Actually, VS Code build this for more concern. So when you will develop something, then you make some error or any mistake, so they will just inform you that there is something remaining or something error. But this sound, I think this sound is not good, and it's really annoyed during development. So I just tried to turn it off. So I'll just turn off everything from this list. So you can check the note here or hints here. So I'll just turn it off. Turn off. Okay, I just turned everything off. If I go to my code again, and if I go to the lines, then it will not make any sound. Okay, so thank you. If the tutorial is helpful, then please subscribe and like and comment. Thank you.